Where? Red mud and country. Wait. But she come for the rest of the fucking evening, man. Your mother come put some on my arm now, way. Hey, fucking drive now, way. It's fucking green, boy. Don't know cocky out there, prime, man. But you only have horse and carriage and green, I don't know. Fucking stink. All the dogs that them love good, man. Hey, big slut. G5 on his shit, they G6. G6 on my shit, I know G6 on his shit. All of these G6s on them hitting real hard. Yeah, we are G6 on his shit. G6 hitting hard. Pull your hand, break there. Fanti man, them.
Nothing gets between me and my AK.
If you get a man like me, you get substance, you get quality. Yeah. If you're a good woman, I take you on vacation. I give you shrimp, I give you lobsters, I give you berries. You can use my card, we can go on tour, we'll take you to car market, choose the car that you like. You don't want a good man.
Set you up, but I didn't know for night. Girl, it pussy good, I can't fuck, I can't ride. But girl, that the beach, I might tie.
Another day, he's our man too. Like they kill on me even think of them and understand the kind of dungeons these niggas was on this morning. These men are them mad. Looking though. Taj, you know where you up? Taj, yeah, read I wake up duns. I know for sure them what I pussies on now. What your mother can put some on my arm now, way?
Bashing love to my brothers, boy.
Shame, I don't want love there, love.
Shame, I love. Oh, boy. But give me a hand now, boy.
Marquis, get him on the arm now, way. And suck that ball on one thing, boy. You'll be close, boy.
Give me a hand now, you move like a ball on one, boy.
Yeah. Get him on your hand now, way. In marriage.
Give me a hand,
Give me a hand in marriage, you know.
Yeah. Alright, sir.
Hey. Hey, what's your fucking pot there, man?
Take the water.
Oh, Javi. Oh, Javi. Javi. Aye, look out. Wait. Cut you the business. If you take your hot dog, give me a again on it. What if I'm a fat man? You best go send it again. You don't put it in for alone. Smell like a mechanic, smell like kilo. Oh God! Hey! Let's go! With that knife too? Don't get more so fucking stink, man! So like that can't do it. You can hear 4 left. 5 inches. Where's that, boy? I don't feel. Where's the fucking be, boy? That's what's up here.
Got a buzz on APL car there. G5 on his shit, so come on. Nah, this is G5 on titanium, no, they G6. Our block, good on car. No, they don't shit, they got. That's what we handbrake there, pull the handbrake there. We hand from by that shift on, I see if I'm ready, pull that fucking handbrake, dog. So then if you have $100, then let's pull the handbrake. I do. You go pull the and we have to pull it, eh?
That's the wrong shift I got,
Hey, fucking drive now, boy!
Think you want now, boy? They know you have to move.
Hey, I'll see guys.
Yeah, wait a minute. Swing cat, eh? You can't see the next one.
Like what? No, it's green. It's fucking green, boy.
Boy, the thing fuck up, boy. Don't do that now, boy.
The bitch space, nigga, boy.
Bitch, man, nigga, why?
Was somebody fucking bang? You might have a bang by the river. No, like rivers is a bank now, boy.
Nigga, you dumb as hell, boy.
It's big o, it's big o.
Nigga, you dumb as hell, boy.
Big o.
Where's this so spread out here?
I can't.
Nah, like 1 second. They ain't catch what I say there, though.
Say what?
Man, I love Goodwood. I one thing I saw about it. All the dogs that them love Goodwood. All the dogs that them love Goodwood.
This was my school, not Goodwood.
And they love Goodwood?
This was my school, boy.
Barry, what you think about Goodwood? You love it? I have Goodwood. Okay. They we sex boy, they the O block boy. This is O block for we here now, dog. O block, O block.
Oh, we are not here, boy. We just happen to be here, boy.
Got Goodwood, man.
Super Joe to get it. Join the righteous spot. Joe get the whole wood. Yeah, Joe.
Let us zoom, man. Let us zoom. We're not zooming. No, we're not zooming. No, you come. Thanks. So what are they telling me? I graduate from Goodwood University.
This is my school boy. Hey, I come to school boy. You just happen to be here, happy to be here. Goodwood boy. Just happen to be here now boy. Hey, big slut. Come out the corner boy.
I nearly never turn into the gas station, you know. We get happy.
Hey, those spark all this bitch, you know.
It's a man. You might careful you come inside.
Oh God! Look these steam it out general. We don't know G6 on the shades. And they got out there tweaking for real. But yeah, we are G6 on the shades, going hard, going tough. Don't know the boys on them. Don't give a fuck. Just come out rhyming. Don't know cocky out there priming. G6 on my shades. I can fly in. Damn, that nigga tripping. Damn nigga just let me stick the tip in. Oh shit. Oh shit. I shit on our freestyle here. I don't know we exploiting this shit. Zavi, talk to them.
Yeah, dog. If you get a man like me, you get substance, you get quality.
Real.
May I take you on vacation?
Where I get you?
I give you shrimp, I give you lobsters, I give you berries.
You using your card?
You can use my card.
Alright, guys, what you supposed to rent it now?
Don't spot them. Is that someone singing or is that music? Hey, Joe Max, how we feeling, dog? Huh?
Nobody has to climb fence and thing, boy.
Shavie, my love, my heart, my everything. This is the one grown up since baby, you know. In my heart right here.
Well, it's okay anyway, that's smelling good.
All I want to take on an extra film like limers by me. I want to make that climb same way.
We're cooking.
I bring some rough tops, I can contribute that. Naza meal. Friendly ass nigga, I might get robbed.
Sure. There it is going. Sure, just had to run through the bush. What the bomber at his ass?
If a national, that don't mean the government maintaining it.
No. These people had a ban and all people come in here.
So you can go?
All of them trespassing, all of this.
Rubbish right here.
She with you? So you can talk to each other?
Tell them Civi button is expensive.
Take my other.
Where come in the camera for them?
Because you was facing the ground now.
So kids are looking in the sun now, real. Yeah, G6 hitting hard. Let's go, guys. Yeah, brother. The man buying water, boy.
Man, we are buying nothing here, boy.
Fresh jelly water tree from Tobago. Boy, Greens man at the place. Don't know. So I move come. So I tell him, man. The man see we come here already. So you just make us pay and that's how to use it.
There you go.
You know what I tell you, man? You tell him. Easy, and man, you have to check. You have to question him.
What you tell him?
The boss will go back. If you come here already, go for him when you come back. You have to go no man.
I hope all y'all feel the same way I tell ya. So you get the Guyanesian.
Grenadian.
Yeah, trying to clone it by. If you have supper like you.
I sweat him, my dog, by.
It's what, huh?
Punch in it, I can fight for land. Come on, man.
You want or not?
Now you get through it, now you can't yet. One by?
No, but I want to tell him.
Some James Bond shit. Fuck man, I'm tripping, man. Trying to claim land, trying to make up a deed as we speak.
That's bad.
But you played in here and dog, real bush man. Way! I can hear you, I'm telling you, what's your mother con dog? All you only have horse and carriage and Grenada dog. All of these G6s and I'm meeting real hard in it. Come in my vlog there dog. No, I mean literally, come in my vlog.
I can't joke here, boy.
Okay.
I like to lie down and joke, boy. Judge!
They must love I though. They must everything in it. They my heart.
Judge! Come here. Give me some of that water there.
I swear if I take off this blade.
Barry is on the arm. What? Barry don't even know what living inside it.
Panty man them. Marcus. Barry, what's your con now, nah? Your word usage up. What's your con for the rest of the fucking evening, nah? Oh God, sorry. Come on.
Man. Right. What should I really make out this work? I bring my super here black and white. What should be here? One more class! Everybody blood clot, right? Auntie! Uncle! Auntie! What are you buying? When they say you show up, we're not looking for trouble. We're not looking for trouble. You're red mother con.
Wait.
Why are they big color and sweated by?
I get getting carried on, you know.
Wait.
Why you don't care about Shawnee?
Hey, everybody is showing that. Them say the nose on plate. Bust it. Woo! Very steamy.
Hold it on. Casual, you on air, yes? Red, go home now, boy. Fuck. Always roaming, boy. Always doing some great shit. You ain't doing nothing, no, but you're doing greatness at the same time.
Blessings, I see elephant tusks on the bow of a sailing lady, docked on the Ivory Coast, Mercedes in a row, winding down the road. I hope my black skin don't dip.
Alien, sinful.
Show Max. Savian. Remember how long time was it was real different. Keep going, keep hustling.
God.
It's in the AR, if he's a true domain, what's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and actually receive, pull the truck up front and
Six naked straight cook them motherfucker. Go broke like Jock. Fuck that door like V. Not that rock, that P. I mean down my sock, can't hold my Glock. Reason I don't really like that shit. Young
Eternity can't wipe no bitch. Excuse my French, don't like no bitch. Limo 10 on 5 my car, yeah, I had it hurt. So my bitch broke bad, I ain't had her hurt. Yeah, that's us. Two-tone AP, yeah, I'm bust. Got to hear from her, ain't even wanna fuck. Why? Slut.
Alright, son, so you what? I'll ask you a question. Use one of them airmen and them mooders. Wait, repeat. Let me wear your car down, get it by it. Whoa. What the fuck are you? Why go be on the avenue for? What's your need? Tell Sean you got avenue perspective.
Bop, nothing on me from sex, everything revived. Whole nigga told on bro should dad. No, he ain't Kim dog, he ain't even try. Still a bet my last room nice in the hood. Take who chain, no bitch not good. Probably in some fast with the Glock in the hood.
I shot the most sober out of this whole group and dog.